Gigi.
Okay, ang topic ay wine tasting steps. Play ko next. Same basa.
Jacoby.
Okay.
Wine tasting is more than just drinking. It's a simple way to explore and appreciate a wine's unique character. Whenever you're new to wine or looking to learn more, this systematic process helps you pick out details about quality, style, and how to wine was made. And the four core steps: appearance, aroma, taste, finish.
Sige, next. Play ko basa, please. Sabtan naman gini.
Ako be,
Sige, kaya pa madali.
appearance.
Ay,
What does it
Ang mubasa kay 50 points. Ang mubasa na ako.
Nako 50 ah.
Sige, what does it look like? Hold your glass against a white surface like a napkin in good light. Color. Young red wines are dark purple or ruby. Older ones get lighter like garnet or bricks. White wines start pale yellow and turn golden as they age. Roses are pink from light to deep. Clarity. It should like bright and clear, not cloudy, unless it means to be that way. Legs. When you quirl, streaks running down the glass mean more alcohol or sugar, thicker legs, fuller wine. Rim. Tilt the glass. A paler age on red wine means it's older.
Taylor.
So, kay Bonum gin mo, no? Unsa na yung appearance? Like, unsay ka nang pagtan-aw niyo sa wine. So, wine appearance is looking at the wine's color, clarity, and viscosity in the glass. So, nag-reveal siya ka ng mga grape type, age, and traits like ka ng alcohol and sugar content. Next.
ako ma'am.
Girl,
What does it smell like? Swirl the glass gently to wake up the wine. This releases scents. Take small sniff. You'll notice different things, fruits or flowers from the grape, like berries, citrus, or roses. Bread or butter from making the wine, common in bubbly or oak wines. Leather or tobacco from aging, only in wines that been stored for years. If it smells like wet cardboard, something wrong, called cork taint. That is aroma.
ibaw naman sa mga ni. Like, pang-amoy ni siya sa usa ka wine. Okay, next. Dali,
Te,
unta
nasa
ni.
kay pakutan na te.
Go.
Pag bubasa kog balik, 100 ako ka.
No.
Nga naman.
Ako ba?
Isa to.
Ako?
Tristan,
Sige, sige.
Sige. Taste. What does it feel and taste like in your mouth? Take a small sip and swish it around. Don't gulp. Notice 5 things. Sweetness. Is it like water? Dry or like juice with acidity? Does it make your mouth water? Crisp or feel flat? Tannin. In red wines, does it make your mouth feel dry, puckered, like strong tea? Alcohol. Do you feel warm in your throat? Body. Is it light like skim milk or heavy like cream? A good wine has all these things working together. Nothing is too strong.
So wine taste is kinda what you preserve on your palate. So with K elements being sweetness, acidity, and tannins, alcohol, and body. So malink po niya siya sa kanang aroma sa iyang origin. Next. Sino ba sabi?
Akabe,
Okay.
what happens after you swallow? After you spit or swallow, pay attention to what's left in your mouth. Length, does the taste fade right away? Short, stick around a little and medium, or linger for ages. Long, that's good. Quality, does it leave a nice taste like fruit or spice? Or something harsh, better? The finish tells you how well made this wine is. Finish.
So wine finish is the sensation that lingers on your mouth after swallowing. So whether flavors fade cleanly or stays rich and balanced. Di na pa na isunod. Next pa yun. So what is wine marketing? Kaliw ko basa please. Wala.
Yata ka na mag-chance ha. Dili
Ako.
mo ba?
Oy. Wa mo.
Kuwan mo
Remote
ka.
and rewind to target
So, hindi
audience.
ka mabasa doon?
Oy, ako'y
Si
Ay
Kyle
mo
B.
pag-away
Kyle.
ba? Ay mo pag-away ba?
What is wine marketing? Promote and sell wine to target audience. Combine wine knowledge, consumer behavior, and strategy. Build brand value and sustainable sales.
Ano? So wine
Napailaw?
marketing is wine marketing kaning una promote and sell wines to the right people and then mixes wine kanamo ni siya ang how buyers think and smart planning. While builds loyal fans and steady sales, mo na siya ang builds brand value and sustainable sales. Next. Hindi ka ni. Sa basa. Matic 50 points. Ala mo diya.
Piya ko be.
Sa give chance sa line.
ako.
Jason, wala pa kay points
Ay, blur
doon.
off.
Hindi ka basa doon?
Wala ko kukuhan basta.
Bahala na sila eh.
May mga target. 1. Casual consumer. Enthusiast. Hospitality sector. Yeah, last, corporate and gifting.
So casual consumers mo na siyang buy occasionally and want it easy and convenient. Well, ang kani kadua is you have to know their wine and you have to look for quality and different types. Ang kani hospitality sector is diri ang restaurants, bars, hotels nga mag-serve og wine sa mga customers. Well, ang kaning corporate and gifting is mo ni siya ang mga events or mga business gifts. Next. Di kasi wala pa. Maala mo eh. Promotional strategies. Muna siya mga effective tactics. Number one is tastings and sampling. So you have to let people try wine before buying. Digital marketing, social media, and e-commerce. Muna siya you have to reach customers via social media and online ads. And food partnership, team up with restaurants, cafes to pair wine with meals. Educational content, muna siya ang mga share blogs, workshops to teach about wine. Ang loyalty programs reward repeat buyers to keep them coming back. Sige, next. Tristan, simbasa ka.
Nakabasa na ako ato. Sige, mabasa na ako ha.
Ayo,
Philippines.
lain.
Sai, ikaw Sai.
Lagi.
Sai Jason, pagmata mo diha do.
Ay mo pang luod, bird.
Son. Nagiinom ka na, son.
James Ray, di kang basa dong.
Sulan. Nita eh.
Jermin, di gid mo.
Yatag na lang ako si Silito eh. Ganin na raw taon na.
Dabuhan mo.
Kasi may active dire ba? Aningog ko mo.
Uy, si Cyril ba? Wala na mo nag-voice record, ay nag-record ha?
Nagi madabuhan ron.
Sai,
Uy,
ikaw kuan sa basa Sai.
Nakagrado, Sai.
Awi.
Ah, daray mamat ka naman.
Una eh,
Iyay.
dugay mo tingog. Explain na.
Philippine market.
Malamang.
Di.
Ay. Suko man.
Di mo maningog. Tuga-tuga mo
Wala.
sud.
Lalibang, uging anay. Yeah.
Bude ba
Philippine market. Consideration. Local factors man eh. Growing middle class demand for premium drinks. Ay katawa mo. Preparing for food. Bearings. Cultural
Explain
religion.
mas be.
Explain. May kauban ka.
Animal.
Luwa ba tayo? Pakiwa ka sa ubasa.
Hindi na pa na itais yung kukuha.
Relevance and accessibility matter. Play with local rules. Explain na eh.
So, kaning growing middle class, mani sila ang mga tao nga kanang gustog mga premium wine. Then food pairings, wine is often enjoyed with meals. Siyempre, pare siya ka ng mga pagkaon. Then culture and access, dapat ma-fit siya sa mga local customs and easy to get. Then rules, you have to follow Philippine alcoholic regulations. Next. Di isa mo gitiwa, muna ni last.
James Ray oh.
Ay, mga tao gid eh.
Jermin,
Di ba sa ni Cyril?
wala. Wala siya.
Basa ra god. Busy
Nakabasa mo na si Cyril, kausa.
Diri na ako?
Dili ni mo.
Aw, diri. Basa diri Cyril.
Basa Sai.
Cyril.
Ano Sai, pero mahumali akong trabaho diri Sai.
Karon. Awa? Asa na oy, bantay bitaw ang mag-record ha? Nag-record ka wa?
So, one mo to bag. Pasabutan na. Wa.
Pagdali, Cyril. Ay, so lag mga kusintag. Kano na ako si Silito?
Key success factors. Must-haves. Understand product and consumers. Strong supply chain relationships. Consistent brand messaging. Adapt to market trends.
So, ang key success factors is Our first one is you have to know your stuff. You have to understand the wine and who's buying it. Then good connections. Work well with suppliers to keep stocks steady. Then consistent brand messaging, clear message, keep brand story and consistent everywhere. Then adapt to market trends. You have to stay current, change with what's popular in the market. Nah, thank you so much.